Welcome to Labii, and thank you for starting your trial with us. In this video series, we'll walk you through the table list view. The table list view displays a list of records within a specific table. It's commonly used to manage and organize records of a particular data type, making it easy to view, sort, and interact with related entries in one place. The sidebar in the table list view provides useful navigation and controls, organized from top to bottom as follows. Breadcrumbs. Show your current location within Labii. Table name and description. Identify the table and its purpose. Add record dropdown. Offers multiple options for adding new records. Actions buttons. Provide access to additional functions, such as table settings. Filters. A list of user-defined or system-generated filters for quick data access. Other tables. Displays related tables within the same application. Projects list. Lets you quickly filter data by selecting a specific project. In the table list view, Labii offers multiple search options to help you find records efficiently. Quick search. Enter any text into the search box to begin. This performs a fast search across the name and description fields. It's quick but may not return all possible matches. Deep search. Searches across all fields in the table. While slightly slower, it provides more comprehensive results. Advanced search. Allows you to search using one or more specific fields, giving you precise control over your search criteria. The table list view also supports sorting. Simply click on the header of any column to sort the records by that field. Click the header again to toggle the sort direction between ascending and descending. To edit data directly in the table list view, click Enable Edit Mode. This mode is especially useful when you need to make quick updates to multiple records. Once in edit mode, you can modify any visible column by clicking the edit icon next to a record. A form will appear, allowing you to make changes and save them easily. The Labii table list view also supports bulk operations, making it easy to manage multiple records at once. To get started, simply select one or more records. The bulk operations panel will appear automatically. Key bulk actions include bulk edit, update specific columns or sections across multiple records. Bulk print, generate and print documents, labels, barcodes, or QR codes for the selected records. Use as ForeignKey. Use the selected records as ForeignKey values when creating new related records. That's it for this part of your Labii tutorial. We hope this helped you feel more confident navigating the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your administrator or contact our support team. We're here to help. Ready for the next step? Click on the next video in this playlist to continue exploring Labii. Thanks for watching and welcome to Labii.